So guys, first method. So this is your backside of your PC. So use this one to connect properly. Okay. If you have a single, so this is mic and this is speaker. Okay. Then next, click to start. Type control panel. Then large. Click to category. Then click to hardware and sound. Then again click to hardware. You can see here you can how many speakers you connect here you can detect. Okay, then just double click and click to you can text here like that. Okay, click to property. So guys, select the level 100%. Okay, and you can see here balance on 100%. Okay, and then okay, and then okay, and then close it. Then guys, next, update and reinstall the audio driver. So just right click of Windows icon, click on device manager. Otherwise you can next second method, click to start and type device manager. You can see here, and then click. Then extract audio, and this is you can see here mic and speaker both different. Just right click to update driver and search by automatic. Okay, otherwise it will not resolve the issue. Just right click and uninstall. You can see here it is removed from that. Then again uninstall driver, just uninstall it. And you can see here also just right click and uninstall and remove that. Okay, after that guys, you have to click on here scan for hardware changes. Okay, this is last icon. Just single click, it will detect automatically. Okay, it's audio and input output and sound also there. After that guys, select the microphone, just right click to update driver and then click to search automatically. Complete, do that like same of for a speaker. Then close, and same for high residency and click to. So please extract. If you install directly for not that, just extract it. Okay, closed. Then guys, next method. Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic card driver. So first we have to come gigabyte.com website and go to right side, just search button and enter your model number of motherboard. Enter B860ME, then hit enter. Then click to product. B860ME, click on that. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 11. So if you are using any, so no worry, because installations process same, Windows 10 installations process same. Audio driver and click to download. I already downloaded. Just click to download, it will start downloading. 165 size this is, and just open it. After that you can see this like that. Then double click to exe. then click to yes. After it is extracting to your system a driver. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds, it will close automatically, means this is installed. And it is closed, and then install it. So guys, next method, scan SFC scan, how to run it your system. So this is command I will give in descriptions. So click to start and type run cmd, and just right click to run as administrator, then click to yes. Then you can see this is 4 command, and if it is, do not copy paste from YouTube description, so you have to enter manually one by one. Okay, so please note which is small and capital and all. First is start. Then guys, second one, which is check health. Okay, DSM online check health, and you can copy. If it is not happening, so you have to enter the manual. Okay, like that, DSM space less online, and then hit enter. Okay, second one command. So it is completed. Then next, third one, scan health, you can see, and then again hit enter. Now you can see here it will start automatically percentage, and wait few seconds, it will complete. Then last, restore health. Then guys, fourth one, which is restore health. You can see here, we can enter like DMS and all. And please note small and capital. Okay, restore point, restore health, and then hit enter. Again, guys, you have to wait. Okay, some start the percentage. It will complete. After that, you can see here